Today we have something special. Today I'm cooking teriyaki salmon with white rice. It's gonna be fantastic. And the drink of the day is iced tea from Walmart. Today I'm gonna cook something special. Every day is special for me. Today I'm cooking salmon with white rice, teriyaki sauce on it, and iced tea. Are you ready? I'm ready. My beer is back, baby. Let's cook. Tú sabes. It's ready, baby. Tú sabes. You're going to need soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame seeds, rice vinegar, cornstarch, chopped garlic, ground ginger, honey, and the salmon. I cooked a little white rice. It's ready to go. You can't eat fish without white rice. So I'm preparing the teriyaki sauce here. I'm not going to give you the measurements to this because guess what? The sauce didn't come out as planned. I added too much starch and got hard. Doesn't look good. I made a mistake. Oh my God, just look at this mess. I was so upset, but you know what? I did not give up. I decided to make another sauce. Half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. This rice vinegar I just started using a couple weeks ago, and oh my God, it makes a difference, especially with the white rice. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Whisker uppy, mix it up. Now look at the difference. Oh my God. Okay, so you get 2 tablespoons of water. Put them in a little bowl, separate from the sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of starch. You mix it up, and then you pour it in there. I added 4 tablespoons of starch the first time. That's why it was so bad. So 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And that should be enough to harden and make you a nice teriyaki sauce. Okay, so back to the salmon. Oh my God. And look at the sauce. Okay, it looks better. White rice looks good. So when you cook the salmon, I just used some olive oil, medium heat, and make sure you cook the skin first, and then you flip them. And that's it. I think it's like 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Good to go, baby. And now for the taste test. Not too bad. Maybe because it's too healthy, I'm not too crazy about it. Tú sabes. Un salmoncito. This light in the back is bothering me. You know what? I'm just gonna move it. I would like to thank everyone for their support. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Don't worry about your past mistakes. We all make mistakes. I just made a mistake here, but I regrouped and came back strong. Keep moving forward. Adversity is just part of life. It's how you react to it that matters. We all go through the same things in life. It's how you react, it's how you come back that makes a difference. Don't worry about your past mistakes or what the future holds in 6 months to a year. Worry about what you're doing now, today. Live in the present moment. Don't ever give up. Live life. Life is too short. Age is just a number. I don't want any complaints of I'm too old, I don't have enough experience. Just go, do it, see what happens. You'll make a mistake, yes, that happens. But just get up, do it again, and keep doing it, and keep going. See what happens, right? We have nothing to lose. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and give me a tu sabes on my comments below. Don't forget to join my tu sabes Facebook community. The description is on the link, or don't forget to join the Facebook tu sabes community. The information is in the description below. Little healthy food, getting too fat.